What's up, CG crew? Welcome back to the channel. It's like Tamala and we're out and about. We're gonna have a little date day. We're gonna go grab something to eat. We're gonna go to the grocery stores, a few grocery stores at that, and we're gonna take you guys with us. So if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn on your post notifications. Give this video a nice thumbs up. Leave a nice comment because we know you're gonna like it here. So yeah, and thank you all for your support on the last couple of videos. We really appreciate it. Yeah, this is the Cox Gang. So we're here about to get some Ihop. Ihop. So we're here at Ihop waiting to be seated. It's only two of us, and they say the wait is 35-40 minutes, you know, everything with the social distancing, so which is, you know, good. I don't want to be sitting right next to nobody anyway. So we're here in the car, just, you know, having casual conversation. So Ihop is texting, so we're about to go inside and eat. So we're full, leaving Ihop about to head somewhere else. Where we headed to?
Well, I don't know. Just follow along. I don't know where we're going. We just go wherever the wind takes us.
About to go into Ihop with this one. Why y'all want to go in Ihop?
Because I like singing stuff.
What shoes you have on today? What are those called?
Fine green ones.
Oh.
These old. Right?
Well, of course. Well, I was saying, of course, they know it's old, but they don't know. Now we're headed into American Eagle. Yeah, we in athletes foot. Remember the Sauconys? Back in the day, I used to have the pink, the red.
Maybe only Miami people though. I don't know.
The Sauconys. Y'all, when I tell you, my husband is the one that likes to go to different stores. Me, if I have a store that I want to go to, I'm just going to go and leave. Get what I want to get and then go. I don't need to look at nothing that I ain't planning on getting. But with him, oh. Yeah, I'm ready to go. I'm tired. Been walking too long. But we walk from one store, which is on the other side, to another store on the other side, so.
son up to see a little something for little C.
For what?
Just for his birthday. I had that ring. Look at that ring.
What?
The one back there. On the cross.
Yeah.
I had that ring back in the day. You don't want to pay first?
Not really, because I ain't finna get none unless you buying it for me.
Well, you know I got you. You know I got you.
Burlington. Everybody having a baby. Yeah, plenty items. Strollers, high chairs, everything you need. Cribs, changing tables, everything. Shoes. Taking a quick breather. It's hot with his mask on. It's not
You know
buggy.
it's bad if I'm sitting down.
It's not buggy. Now we're headed into Goodwill. On my other vlog, I was in Goodwill. Hi. Got my little wipe. Hello, welcome. Huh? He really hopes he finds some jabots. About to get this chair. My husband is needing like another chair for work, so he's getting this. $20. CG crew, we just made our last stop. We just went and got some Little Caesars. Taking it home to the kids. It's gonna be dinner. So yep, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give this video a nice thumbs up, leave a nice comment. We will appreciate it because I know you're gonna like it here. So yep, thank you all for spending the day with us. Catch you on the next one. I'm actually gonna come with the haul from Walmart and Kroger, so lay around for that video as well. Babe, any last words?
No, guys. I'm tired. I'm beat. I'm ready to get home.